Welcome back, Kevin's Mobile Repair. Got an 03 Honda Civic. We have a no start problem. Figured basic diagnostic, have spark but do not have fuel pressure. Went back to the pump. The pump itself primes on when I add power to it there at the connector. So bypassing all of the circuitry and things that control it, I can turn the pump on. So come over here, glove box area. Here is your main relay, here is your fuel pump relay. With my scanner I can go in and tell this main relay to close, which would then in turn click and supply power to the fuel pump relay, and there in turn supply power back to the pump itself. You can take the actually can probe back here in the back. It's the I forget the wire code. I'm not looking at the wire diagram. But anyways, I can go right back to the back here, add power to the pin 87, which goes directly to the pump. Pump turns on. So I know the circuit's good from here to the pump. Used the scanner, turned on the power supply, or turned on the relay, this main relay, which is going to be from this red yellow wire. That is the control side. Goes from there to the engine computer. It has power on it right now, which it's supposed to, because the power supply is constant from here. The computer itself controls the ground side, which then in turn closes the relay to allow the main power to go from here to here and to the other items that it controls. Using my scanner to turn the fuel pump on, there is no ground on this. I took the wire loom from here all the way up to the PCM, and there is no short. Unplug it here, unplug it to PCM, and it's a dead wire. So there's no ground, there's no power, there's nothing on there with that wire being disconnected at both ends. So I have a faulty engine computer up there, because my engine computer is not telling this main relay to turn on to tell the fuel pump relay to turn on to start the car. So I'm going to see if I can track down a PCM for something of this age that's over 20 something years old. So we're gonna see how good I can track that down. But both the relays test out. I can engage them from back here myself and tell them to turn on, and they do so. Just not being done from the engine computer up there. So that is some old school diagnostics to be done on older two main EFI relay type setups. Some of the newer cars now have the relays built into the fuse boxes, and there's no way you can actually test them. All you can do is use a scanner, tell it to turn it on, and flip the box over and test it right there at the wire to see whether or not it's coming on or not. So this is where I'm currently at on this no start. But I'm gonna go see if I can track down a PCM, a refurbished PCM, or if we got to do a used one. And then I got to figure out the coding procedure for doing that, and the theft alarm. So yeah, that's gonna be a fun process. But that's where I'm currently at. If I come up with any updates, I will let you guys know.